Biya kamal gwas me banaracha ka thok English. Me bukono kwen gwas me dob rande thok English. Kana thok na dara jang ay kaja. Jan shwale expression of time. Expression of time chere muraji ke nyen gwat. Muraji ke nyen gwat chet ko anwale pan ke je irun. Kan tona kan dial te kan ke lot ka dob dana deran dara thok English kana thok nuar dara ka mat kel pass ma writing ko right ke present kana future la pass michwa present amrai kenta future amrai ka mungon yam ban dob dan de ko right ka je ka men chiwa ka tama kana mungon yam jandan ban writing mishawi yesterday a pass present de larade today yesterday a pan chali yesterday micha ben ka present la tema de kon lar enter kien wala future ba chole run tomorrow yesterday today tomorrow yesterday a pan today a wala tomorrow a run past present kana future future murai ka gwad mungod niam present murai ka enta murai kona kien wale past murai ka micho pan last week last week di chole this week di chole next week last month this month they chole next month last year this year next year a little while ago this one they go a little while ago they like ke present at the moment and tema ke future they are in an hour ke dob dan di larga jabone ke soon an hour in an hour ago ke in an hour like chere ke future de konte ke this chere ke soon to kon ke in the near future to kon ke soon ka to today right ka tungon yam ke future ka past to kon ke this morning chere ke now ke future later this evening a future na me bane okay de kon mo nyoko jeng in the future gwadongon yam nambo future in the past ka kor gwan mishewa no kon cholo no in the past ko right kon ke na menta past a long time ago ka gwan mishewa at this time a present de kon majek way off in the future de kon wa the day before ka shanga chwa a past and me ka present nowadays to kon ke yesterday pan to kon ke recently ka kor gon metiak ngode mishwa in 1989 mishwa na mane ka run kit ido kulbangan jen bade bangwan these days na me ewale future the day after tomorrow eventually bangwo a future gwadame when I was born nambo a past me shadap a mishwa right now antama raja ke antama right now 1 week ago ka kor juga mishwa as we speak. Cherkumurai konan tama. Namengu neme a present. Kan tichu kon ganen gwasame a dag past can a present ke future. Chitke yesterday, today, tomorrow. Yesterday, last week, last month, last year, a little while ago, an hour ago, this morning, in the past. A whooping kada reality chwalka ke past. Present and today, this week, this month, this year, at the moment, now, our whooping. Future tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, in an hour, soon, in the near future, later this evening, in the future. Our titi agenda past ke present ke future murairan ke kwigwat expression of time. Michiga practice de kana luak de dak mishiwa kan murajata kamungon yam de dak den de ngach ban nyogo jek kalis sen madadian bi atamal.